String. So what is the definition of string? String is a group of characters. String is a group of characters. Otherwise, a string is a collection of characters. That is also correct. Collection of characters. Otherwise, a string is a sequence of characters. That is also correct. You see, different books, they will write different definitions like this. A string is a set of characters. These many definitions are there. Okay. So, group of characters, collection of characters, sequence of characters, set of characters. And the data type used for representing a string is char. Data type representing a string is char only. For character also char, for string also char. For character also char only. Data type representing a character. A character is also char. But what is the difference? I'll show you. If you want to display a character, if you want to assign a character, say single character like A, we have to do like this. In one of the programs we have done like this. Can you recollect where we have done like this? In where? Type conversions, implicit type conversion we have done. Promotion, demotion, we have seen?
Yes, sir.
There. Right. Otherwise, if you want to take a string, it is something like this. String is an array of characters. You have to take size like this. You have to take size like this. And you have to take characters like this. This is about a string. But you have to take one more than the required size. Means, what is the size of bat? 3 characters are there, right? It's a combination of 3 characters, but don't take 3. One more than that means
4.
4 you have to take. Why? You know, every string ends with a null character. This is called as null character. In single quotes, you have to put like this: backward slash 0. This is 0, not O, 0. Right? So this is called as a null character. It represents the end of a string. Okay, I will write here. This is called as, sorry, it is not O, it is 0, right? Is a null character. Null character. Representing what? The end of a string. String ends with a null character. Okay, every string ends with a null character. Every string ends with a null character, like that. Null character means what? This is the representation for null character. Okay, but you can also do like this. This is one way of initialization of a string. Here only character is initialized, is it not? Only character is initialized. But here string is initialized. Got the difference between the two? String is initialized. Right. Now there is another way of initialization of a string. I'll show you that. Copy, paste. This is not mandatory. You can leave that also. You can omit that. But still size should be 4 only. You should not make it 3, because we have to remember that a null character is there at the end of the string. So we have to calculate that also. Okay. And then in another way also you can write like this. I will show you. This is also correct. In double quotes, you can write like this. You can write like this. Got it? Same
Yes, sir.
bat in double quotes you have to write. Otherwise, you can do it in another way also. So many ways of doing things. You can also omit this. This is also correct. Simple also. Okay. But every time you see, there is one major difference between initializing a character and a string. What is that? See the difference? Here what is there and here what is there? What is the difference? Tell me.
Array is used.
One dimensional array.
Hmm.
Got it? Yes.
Yes,
So a string is a one dimensional array. Can I call like that?
yes,
A string is represented terms of a 1D 1D array or one dimensional array. One dimensional array. Right. That's why both character and string are having same type of data in C language. In C++ also same style. But in Java, separately we are having string data type. Once you move to Java, maybe it may be in your second or third years. Possibly in your second
yes,
year, it can be there. At that time, we will discuss that. So their string data type is there. But in C++, we use char only for both character as well as for string. Same representation. Okay. So these are the ways of initialization of a string, right? So we will do some
yes, sir.
programs on strings immediately. And one more important thing. And just like arrays, here also indexing starts always from indexing of a string. Indexing means location. Indexing of a string always starts from 0, just like array, right? That also you have to remember. In 0th location, what is there? If I take this string, let us suppose this one. AR of 0, what is there?
B.
Right. And then AR of 1, what is there?
A.
Yeah, right.
A.
And then AR of 2.
T.
Right. So that's the way to remember. Just like arrays. Now we can do
Yes.
some programs on this. That's why first we discussed arrays, then we are discussing strings. Directly, if I say strings, you can't understand without arrays. Let me initialize a string. Okay. You can take any name, str I am taking. Okay, like this. Same thing I will take. All the ways are correct or not, I will prove here by writing like this. And write null character at the end. of the string, representing the end of the string. Let me call this as str1, and then let me give, then let me go with another string. But what is the mistake? This is the mistake, right? Is it not?
Yes, sir.
Then we can also try like this. This is also correct. And another way, always we represent here to know whether they are working or not. You can enclose bat inside double quotes like this. Is it not? Like this. Otherwise, that is also not required. Directly, you can try like this. But size is mandatory. You have to give, especially when declaring size is mandatory. While initialization, it can work. I think. Let me check once. I forgot. And I want to display all the strings which I have taken. There are four different strings: 1, 2, 3, 4. str1, str2, str3, and 4 of course. I want to display them. Printf str1 is equal to, what is the format specifier for string? Percentile?
Yes.
Yes, right. And then here str1 I can write. Similarly, let me copy this statement, paste it, and again paste it. Oh, clear. Paste it. Third one. Again, paste it. Right. Four strings. Let us rename them. This is str2. Are we able to display them or not? If we are able to display, it means that all are correct syntaxes, correct way of doing. Sorry, this is 4, no? And this is 3. Right. Then let us do XCH. Right. Let us save this. Oh, so many programs are being already. Save as SR1 dot STG 1 dot C. Right. Yes, all are correct.
Yes, sir.
All the ways of representation are correct. And can I omit this? Let me check that also. Can I omit like this? That is also correct. But see, second one, you got some problem.
Yes.
That is a problem. Second style, it is showing some problem. That's why it is better option to go with the size every time. It gives unreliable outputs, undesired outputs. Is it not? That's why better we go with size every time. This is good. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So next time I want to accept in the same program, I will accept a string from keyboard. How to do that? str5. But whenever you want to declare a string, size is mandatory. You can take some big size. 10 I have taken. Means I can accommodate a string which has either one character
9.
or two characters or up to 9. It is okay.
Yes.
Right. So let me declare this and let me accept from keyboard. enter string. Enter string. Right. Scanner. Format specifier is percentage yes, and it should reach the address of str5. Is it not? That's it.
Yes, sir.
Then I want to display the same thing on the screen like this. str5 is equal to percentage yes, and then str5 is the variable name. I mean string name, not variable, string name. Right. String is an array. Right. That's, now it is asking enter a string. Can it accommodate computer? We have taken 10. Computer size is
Yes,
8, I believe. COMPUTER. And one more, 9. Enough. Good enough.
yes,
Yes, perfectly executed. Only one bit of memory is wasted. Because I have taken 10, the required size is 9. I wasted only one bit. Is it not?
yes, sir.
Right. It's doing fine. That is the way. Now, there are so many predefined functions in strings. I will discuss all those functions one by one. So many predefined. So before that, I will do one program, one interesting program, and it is moreover an interview question also. Not only here, you can do that in Java, Python, C++ also. Same interview question will be there. I want to check whether two strings are equal or not. Whether two strings are equal or not. See what I'm doing. I have taken bat. Again, let me take the same string. I'm comparing both the strings. Is it not?
Yes,
Tell me, what is your expectation of this program? Output. What is your expected output for this? Hmm? Actually, I have to tell one thing, but let me, because if I don't tell that, everybody will tell wrong answer for this. If I don't give any information on this, first time those whoever are listening this program, they will go with a wrong output for this program. Everybody, anybody. Generally, it looks to be same or not. Hello.
sir.
str1 is bat, str2 is also bat. Now both the strings are compared.
Yes, sir.
So printf, if both are same, else different. What is the output? Tell me.
If, sir, same,
Huh? No, different is
same.
the no. Different is the answer. Why? I will tell. I will tell. Don't worry, I will tell. First, let us check. Oh, errors. Why errors? Oh, CLR SCR problem. Oh, it is in. I have to save this program. It is in CPP. Right. stz2 dot c. Right. Now it will. Now you will get. What is the answer?
Different.
Because here strings are not compared. String addresses are compared. Got that?
Yes, sir.
Here strings are not compared, but their what is that? Their memories are compared. Their addresses are compared. For example, if two persons are there, both of their names are same, but their addresses are different or not? Their memory, I mean, the place where they are standing is different or not?
Yes, sir.
If two persons' names are same, XYZ, XYZ, both are XYZ, but the place where they are standing is different or not?
Yes, sir.
So place means memory, space or place, whatever you say. So memories are compared, their addresses are compared, not the strings. Then you can ask me, how do I compare the strings? Yes, you can compare strings with the help of a method called as string strcmp. I will do that. Wait. If this is the method, if strcmp first string is str1 comma second string is str2, both are compared, and if you get output as 0, 0 means they are same. Both the strings are compared here. str1 and str2 are compared. strcmp is a predefined method. Okay, it will compare str1 with str2. If both are same, it will return 0. Got it? If both are same. If the first string is greater than second string, greater in the sense ASCII values, I told at some point of time, ASCII values, I told American
Yes, sir.
Standard Coding for Information Interchange. Small a will be having 97, I guess. Capital A will be having 60, 60, 65, 65, I think. I forgot, 65, right. So, but here both the strings are same. It should return 0 or not? Both the strings are same, not memories. Strings, it's strings themselves are same or not?
Yes, sir.
Same means it will return 0. That is true. So output is going to be printf same. Else not same. I mean different. First if condition in this output is different. Second if condition output is, what is the output?
Same.
Here, yeah, here strings are compared, not string addresses. Here strings are compared. If they are same, it returns 0. And if they are same, strcmp function returns what? 0. It is having a returning nature. So this function, if it returns 0, 0 is compared with 0. True or false? It is
True,
compared. This function is
sir.
having return nature. It is a predefined function. It returns some value. The value can be either 0 or positive number or negative number. 0 means same. If the highlighted portion is returning 0, 0 is equal to 0 means same. If it returns positive value, then the first string is bigger. If it returns a negative value, second string is bigger, like that. Okay. Let us run this program first of all. Else also I have written that. Right. Oh, oh, I have not closed it here. Right. Let me run this. Different, same. So output doesn't look good. I will do one thing. Better. After this, I can do like this printf, empty printf, where I can put slash n.
N.
That is a technique, right? That is good
Yes, sir.
technique. You can put slash n for same different also, but both will not happen now. That's why this is a good way of doing things. Is it not? Fine. Solve. Different. Same. What is different? What is same? You understood? Their addresses are different, but strings are same.
Same.
Got it? So let us write
Yes,
some
sir.
little notes on this strcmp. What is that? These are all called as string manipulation functions. String manipulation functions, you can call it as. Strcmp is a string manipulation function. What does it do? Compares two strings, two given strings. Within brackets, you can provide those strings. Compares two given strings whether they are same or not. And it returns a value. Strcmp function returns 0 if both the strings are what?
Same.
Same, right? And returns positive number, that also we will check. Wait, that let me check once in the program. I forgot whether first string is greater or second string is greater. Let me check that. I will do one thing in the same program. I can try. Let me take two more strings, but here you cannot take initialize because CLR SCR is there. I have to initialize here. And str3. This time I will go with the size, any size, even bigger size you can take, not an issue. I will go with 4 again, no problem. But the string is a small string I will take, like or big string I will take, like computer, and I will give more size for that. And I will give a size, or 9 or 10 is good enough. 9 is good. So let me compare str1 and str3 this time. Okay, see what I'm doing. Printf in another way I'm doing. See. So whatever it is going to return a Boolean value, true or false, isn't it? So percentage D. If you get 0, 0 means not like that. Wait. Some number you will get, no? Positive or negative you will get. We'll do, okay, I'll try like this. Let me check what is going to happen here. And one more thing is that here also I have to give printf, separate the line, printf /n, right. No, percentage D, str cmp, str1 comma str3, right. Second string is bigger in fact, and it always returns some number. Strcmp can return either 0 or positive number or negative number. I will do one thing. First, let me compare these two in this way also. And then let me do for the next one. Printf. Let me put /n here for the next output. So D /n. Let us see what number you are getting every time. Again, strcmp. This time str1 is compared with str3. Is it not? And then one more option. percentile D. Here, what I want to do is strcmp, but I will reverse first str3 and then str1, right? I'm reversing them. Where 0, where positive, where negative, we will test in this program. Let me run this. Got it?
Yes, sir.
0 means same. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Minus 1 means which string is bigger? Minus 1 means A, B, C. Their ASCII values are counted possibly. The negative value you are getting here means first one is small. Is it not?
Yes, sir.
In the last case, first one is big. The first one is big, you'll get positive. First one big. First string big. Implies you get a positive value. Positive value. Whereas here, first string small. Implies you get negative value. Whereas in the above case, here, both are same. Both the strings are same. Implies you get 0. Got it? Like this you can evaluate. Okay. So the question is going to be, what is the difference in interview? They will ask you like this, important interview question. It will be like this. What is the difference between double is equal to and strcmp? Double is equal to can be called as is a comparison operator, is it not? Comparison operator that compares what? The addresses of given strings, whether same or not. Same? No. strcmp, what does it do? strcmp is a string manipulation function. A string manipulation function. What does it do? It's a string manipulation function that compares whether uh, compares and finds the biggest string. Is it not? Compares and finds the big one, or even or same or not. Same or not. Like that, something like that. Okay. And there are so many methods. We will go with some other methods as well. And we do one thing, we will stop and again come back, because once I move here, it won't show that. It's showing 5 minutes, but immediately I will log in. You please come back. Okay. I'm
Okay.
closing and
Okay,
again,
sir.
please come back.
Okay.
Will disturb otherwise.